Oil and Gas Professional. Visit ogpcourses.com for oil and gas courses. Before see the video, please subscribe Oil and Gas Professional. Keep in touch with us. Piping General Arrangement Drawings (GAD). The piping plan or general arrangement drawing show all major equipment, its north, south and east-west orientation, and all piping leading to and from equipment are developed by piping designers. All main piping items, valves, fitting, etc., instrumentation, access ladders and platform are shown. The GAD usually shows a plan top view with the elevation side and sectional drawings with piping dimensions and details including line numbers, size, specification, the direction of flow, etc. to help the piping designers to extract all necessary information for isometric or fabrication drawing preparation. Evaluation of GAD. The piping general arrangement drawing evolves from foundation location and equipment location drawing. It shows all mechanical equipment and vessel in the unit and the piece pipes connecting from them, including manholes, ladders, platforms, and divets. It identifies all structural supports such as pipe racks, equipment structures, columns, braces, and any fireproofing they may have. Once location for foundation equipment have been established, piping configuration is added to drawing with the aid of symbols represent fittings, flanges, and valves. The arrangement drawings includes equipment coordinates, identification numbers, flow arrows, and dimensions establishing pipe locations. Information such as nozzle number, size and fount rating, orientation, elevation, and projection is also included. Instrumentation symbols are included to indicate type, position, and orientation for accessibility by plant personnel. Information sources for GAD. A piping drafter must assemble the various reference drawing and documents needed to lay out the piping arrangement drawing. These may include mechanical flow diagram, plat plan, foundation or equipment location plan, piping industry drawing, equipment vendor drawing, and foundation drawings, piping specifications, pipeline list, list of special requirements if any for the project. The recommended procedure for layout of piping arrangement drawing. Define proposed area outline or drawing match lines. Fill in drawing number and title block information. Place your north arrow in upper right hand corner of the drawing. Locate foundation for buildings, pipe rack columns, and mechanical equipment from the coordinates used to develop the foundation location drawing and dimensions provided on the equipment foundation drawing. Draw equipment foundation. Prepare a study drawing of each individual piping configuration in the facility. This procedure will allow the designer to explore all requirements necessary for design operation and maintenance prior to the final layout. Add platforms, ladders, and cages, pipe guides, anchors, supports, and hangers as required. Include line numbers, codes, specs, specialty items, numbers, and callouts. Place locating dimensions for piping. Label coordinates for equipment, pipe supports, etc. if required for job. Add instrument, balloons, and callouts. Include the nozzle schedules and notes as required. Complete drawing, add match lines, area limit, and battery limit callouts, a reference details, and section or elevation cutting plan symbol. Print plat the completed drawing and check your work. Correct any mistakes if you find before releasing the drawing to your instructor or supervisor. The following item must be included on GAD. Completed title block information, north arrow. Place the north arrow in the upper right corner of the drawing. It should point up or toward the right. Coordinates for match lines, area limits and battery limits, equipment and structural support foundation, all pump sections and discharge nozzle. Labels for angular degrees of orientation to indicate orientation of all vertical vessel nozzles. Tag numbers for all nozzles on equipment that corresponds to the vessel outline drawings, equipment vendor drawings, and nozzle schedule. So equipment items, numbers and title information. A reference node somewhere within the area limits of the piping plant drawing to indicate the finished grade or high point paving elevation. Label for all instrumentation per the mechanical flow diagram. All instrumentation should be accounted for one time in either the plan view or section view. Label for the top of platform elevation on plan drawing. Reference notes to describe the following: piping specialty items, reducers and reducing teeth, out of spec flanges, any non-standard items not covered in piping spec vessels davits. Chain operators for valve handwheels, pipe guides, supports, anchors, hangers. Cutting plan callouts that identify the name and direction of the section or elevation to be drawn. Labels for lines running through a pipe rack to specify the commodities they contain. Labels for all pipelines with the following information: line number, valve number, flow direction, elevation of pipeline, instrument symbol, installation symbol and thickness, steam, heat or electrical tracing if required. GAD symbols. Pipe presentation. Pipe installation symbol in GAD. Drafting symbol in GAD drawings. Fittings. Flanges. Gate valve. Globe valve. Angle valve. Check valve. Ball valve. Plug valve. Butterfly valve. PSV valve. Control valve. Control station. Please share with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Gas Professional.